Hey guys.
I really need to take a fat shit right now.
Come on, I love the texture of it. Same. Stuff all between my teeth.
She copies me.
I was literally gonna say that.
Guys, it's really been a struggle fitting into jeans because of my voluptuous ass.
I don't know where.
F you!
That's so strong.
And it's
Feel it.
what?
I'm really thankful that I have such a
Amazing.
sister, especially Emily.
You guys are pranking me. I just know it. This is so weird. Yes, you are.
It looks so pretty.
No, like I'm actually.
Stop talking and stop acting so weird.
I'm not acting weird. I'm sorry.
Just stop talking. I think that we should start hugging each other.
So here's a hug to you, Emily.
Don't.
If you want a burger, eat a burger. If you want a french fry, eat a french fry.
Open the door.
So if you smell fart. Emily, can you walk normally? You're embarrassing.
If you want a burger, eat a burger. If you want a french fry,
We were just trying to watch a K-drama.
if you want a burger, eat a burger. If you want a french fry, eat a french fry.